As you saw in the app shell creation process, assigning a name for your app is needed to enter the app building platform. A name, description, and tags are all elements needed for full publication to MadStore, and collaborators may need to be added. Here's how it works. First, give your app a name. Be sure to look at the prompts for requirement information. Giving a description to your app on the MadStore helps browsers decide whether your app may be of interest to them. Tags help describe the app with just a word or phrase, allowing a browser to search by entering keywords in the MadStore search window. Finally, if you want to add collaborators within your group or class, just click the button to reveal members of your class or group that you might want to have on your team. Clicking on them or searching for them by name will add them to your team. When you're finished, just click the next button in the lower right-hand corner. As you also learned from the development of the shell, these steps are skipped over at the beginning, but we can return to this step at any point in the process. From Content, click the Edit Mind Map button. When you go back to the mind map, you'll notice in the upper left-hand corner the name of your app shown twice. Select the one at the top to go back to the details screen, where you can now add the details that we added before. Remember, for full publication on the MadStore app, these elements all have to be completed.